Hi people, this is Muhammad Saqib. Welcome to my education channel. So my channel name is Education Hub also. So now we are discuss about transmission modes and its different types also. So before start the video, I request to you all please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon of my channel. So if you are press the bell icon of my channel, then every video of my channel notification has been sent to you carefully. So from notification, so you see my video and get knowledge also. Okay, so let's go to the video topic. And today our topic is transmission mode. So where is transmission? Here is the transmission mode. So I discuss about it and its diagram also. So transmission mode, what is transmission mode? The transmission of a binary data access a link can be accomplished in interior parallel or serial mode. In parallel mode, multiple bits are sent with each clock ticks. In a serial mode, one bit is sent with each clock tick, while there is only one way to send parallel data. There are three subclasses of serial transmission: synchronous, and asynchronous. So, data transmission that has two types: parallel data transmission and serial transmission. So, you can see in a diagram, and the serial transmission medium has three more types which are can be shown. Okay, so we are read out parallel transmission medium. What is parallel transmission medium? um yes, so it needs some adjustment, and this is adjustment. So, parallel transmission medium is binary data consisting of 1 second or 0 second, may be organized into a group of n bits each. So, computer produce consume data in group of bit much have we receive of the use spoken language in the form of words rather than letters. By grouping, we can send data n bits at a time instead of one. So this is called a parallel transmission medium. So in this transmission, we are send data in one way, not separate. So this is advantages of parallel transmission medium. And there are more detail in parallel transmission medium. So here you can see this diagram, and there is most advantages and disadvantages is a costly. So we know this discuss about serial transmission. What is serial transmission? In serial transmission, one bit follow another, so one by one. In serial transmission, we send data in one by one, so that is time consuming, and also uh, and many disadvantage rather than parallel transmission medium. So parallel transmission medium, we need only one connection channel rather than n of transmission medium. Data can be two communicating devices. So you can see the diagram of serial transmission medium, and this is the advantages of serial transmission medium or a parallel transmission is that and only connect. Sorry, I forget. So serial transmission is better than the parallel transmission medium. So parallel transmission has many connections, and the serial transmission has a one connection, so in one way to send multiple data also. Since communication with the device is a parallel conversation, convergent devices are required at the receiver. So serial transmission occur in one of three ways: asynchronous, synchronous, the asynchronous. So that are the type of serial transmission and advantages and disadvantages of parallel transmission. So in the next video we are discuss about serial transmission of three ways of a serial transmission, which are shown in the video and slide. So these handouts I provide you in a video description also, so don't worry about that. I send it in to video descriptions also, and give you a notes. mm, so hope you will be understand my lecture. So this is the third lecture of computer networking also. And um, if you are understand my topic, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon of my channel. So we will meet in the next video. So that of time, goodbye.